Sudah Pak ini tahu jangan marah pasar karena ini kumaun bisa pun mga jambul beres berasa di mulai orang vertikal dulu iwasan atau tidak para iwas kita sah.
She sounds longer.
Nagsakay ba ito mapasya-sya? Sige.
Or remove. So ano ba natin isang remove? Bakit ako ba? So you remove yourself from danger. So example, alam ako sa room. So bukas mo mo. So what you will do is to remove yourself from that certain danger. So, ina-connect ninyo kung makakasabing mo, kanda ka mo sa cover mo, and then, anybody will be on alert para mag-accept ka na that certain place may emergency ka rin nakatabo. So that everybody can evacuate themselves to a safe place. So, sa luwan anong R? Then anong letter A? I-alarm natin ang fire alarm. So, ano naman ang letter C? Char. So, ang letter C, contain. We will contain ourselves. At the same time, let's contain the situation. Okay? So, sa naman anong letter R? Remove yourself. And then ang letter A? Alarm. And then ang letter C? So, i-contain natin ang situation para hindi kita magpanik, kalmado kita gihapon. Para hindi
Wait, there is. What do you call that? Petroleum? Or
Yeah, something.
gasoline?
Well, it's green, so I don't know if it's gasoline.
That's a great job. Hello. Next. It's the volcanic ash. Another one. God.
She's afraid.
Fine. Puno with that ash. Oh, let's go. Take a photo.